Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to log in and use Plex on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to head over to the dashboard and I'm going to be showing you the Plex application. Now, if you have this app already installed, good. If you do not have it installed, you could check the link in the description, or you could check the channel for multiple videos showing you multiple methods on how to download and install this app. Launch the app by clicking OK, and now that you have it uploaded, you're going to find these three options: sign up for free, skip sign up, sign in. So if you have an account, you want to just sign in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up, or you could just skip sign up and get into the app immediately for entertainment. So if you just skip sign up, the app launches and it loads up. So what you have to do here is to understand this panel. So the first is the signing, second is for search, third is home. Home is where you could find a lot of information, a lot of categories. Watch list is next. So you create a watch list and save everything there. This is how home looks like. It has the watch, the different categories of what to watch and what is trending. So that will show you films and movies, TV shows that are being recommended. Next category is a very nice category, live TV. So you could access live TV and navigate it using the top panel where you have different genres. So sci-fi, chill, Dreamland TV, and all the rest. Different categories of movies and shows. Movies and shows also has different things you could look at and different categories as well. Then the Discovery channel is also here, so you could discover what to watch anywhere. So there are a lot of recommendations. You almost never run out of recommendations using this application. And then you have your media. So you could add your media here, downloaded media or any stream you want to add. So that's basically it for this panel. The last thing I'll talk about is settings. So you come over to settings and change a lot. So you can change the appearance, the app's background and its details, customize it to your taste. You could choose to display a clock, reduce motion, even continue watching. You could turn that on or off across different devices. You could change your name and all that good stuff. But Plex really shines at live TV categories and with the shows. There are a lot of shows, a lot of TV shows and movies that will interest you. So check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. If this was useful, smash the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video content just like this.